Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining a recursive function. A recursive function is a function that calls itself within its own definition. Recursion is a fundamental concept in computer science and programming that involves solving problems by breaking them down into smaller, similar subproblems and solving each subproblem recursively until a base case is reached. A recursive function must have one or more base cases where the function stops calling itself recursively. Thus, base cases prevent infinite recursion and provide a way to terminate the recursive calls. In addition to the base case, a recursive function must have one or more recursive cases where the function calls itself with modified arguments. This allows the function to solve smaller instances of the same problem. Recursive calls should lead towards the base case in such a way that each recursive call moves closer to the base case until they are reached. Let's see what recursion is by examining recursive functions through an illustrative example. Let's define a function with a single parameter n. Let's call this function countdown. And it takes a parameter n. If n is less than or equal to 0, print go. So the function checks if n is less than or equal to 0. If n is 0 or negative, the function prints go and stop the recursion. This serves as the base case for the recursive function. Else, print n and countdown n minus 1. If n is positive, the function prints the current value of n and then calls itself recursively with n minus 1. This means that the function will print the current value of n and then call countdown again with n minus 1. Countdown. Let's give it the value of 5 and let's run this program. The function keeps calling itself recursively with a decreasing value of n until the base case is reached. When the function is called with countdown 5, it starts with 5, it prints 5, then calls countdown 4. This process repeats until countdown is called with n is equals to 0, at which point it prints go and stops. This is for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you on the next video.